In this video, we're going to look at which is the better wireless mic, the Rode Wireless Go or the Saramonic Blink 500. Hi there, David Walsh here once again from davidwalshonline.com, helping you grow your business with video. Welcome back to another Tech Thursday, and in this video, we're going to test the Wireless Go from Rode and the Blink 500 from Saramonic to see which one is the better wireless mic. And we're going to test them right now. Okay, so this is the Saramonic. So let's pop this bad boy out. So this does come with two mics on here, so you get one receiver which connects to your camera or your phone, then you do get two lavalier mics. Now there is an option for one that's specific for your phone, but I recommend you get this one because this one can connect to your camera and you can also connect it to your phone as well. So let's have a look inside. So let's break the seal here like that, open it up. Okay, now okay, so that is a potential breaker. I would normally break that. Okay, so there is a little pin and stuff. So here are our two mics and our receiver. So let's open up this. Nice big fingers trying to get into a little space. So, okay, so this is our responder. Let's switch her on. There we go. Okay, so there's a mic on the top. We can pair this with our receiver, which is really good because then if you have multiple of these, then you can connect this to, if you've got like 3 or 4 of these, you can connect them to the one receiver. Or if you want to have 2 receivers and 2 mics, that's good too, which might be a bad idea. So you can connect these to different receivers, which is a very good thing in my book. Okay, so it's just 2 normal mics. So there's your pairing. As I said, we got the mic on the top. We have our clip here, which is handy for people who like to wear it on their clothing. I am not one of those people. I will always put a lavalier in here. And then we have a USB-C charger there, which is great. And then we have the charger here, and then we have our on button here as well. And then we have our line out, which then connects that to your phone or your camera. And you have a little pair button there, which is this little key here, I'm assuming is for. Okay, so let's have a look in the little box of tricks in here. Let's pop those back in there for the time being. Okay, so little box of tricks. Okay, so there's a lot of stuff packed into this box. So we have cables, we have mics, we've got a charger cable, we have another charger cable, so 2 charger cables, which is cool. Then we have our connectors. So we have these go into the so this one is for your phone. So as I mentioned earlier, that's why I recommend getting this one, because this one will connect to your phone as opposed to the other one, which is only for phones. So this one will connect to your phone, and then this cable is specifically for your camera. And the difference is that this is TRS, so it's this has got 2 stripes, and then this one's got 3 stripes. So this is TRS. So it's tip, ring, ring. And then this is tip, ring. So this one is for camera, this one is for phone, if you don't know the difference. Then we've got another charger cable for our receiver, and then we have our little lavalier mics, which are quite nice. Nice little finish on the little cover on it too. We got 2 of them, and let's see how long they are. Okay, so yeah, standard length. About 1 meter. So quite decent clip as well. So a bit stiff, but once you get going, it's good. And that clips off, clips back on. So these are quite standard. You can get these, and then that will fit on your shirt or your clothing or whatever. So yeah, quite a nice setup, I have to say. You do get a lot more in the box for your money than you do with the Rode, and that's why I'm sort of leaning towards the Saramonic for now, because you do get a lot more for your money than with Rode. So now we have the Rode Wireless Go, so let's have a look in here. Let's just slide this out. So open this up. So you can see that this is considerably smaller than the box for the Saramonic. Obviously you're only getting one mic in this compared to two with the Saramonic. So okay, so let's open this up. So nice little box. Okay, so we can slide these. Okay, that's interesting. So we can slide these off. Nice packaging. And we've got a cable for our camera. So it's a TRS. That is it. Nothing else. We do have some cables in here. So we've got a charging cable there. Yep. Charging cable there, charging cable there. So two charging cables. We have our receiver and then we have our mic. This is our mic. You'll see it's got a little mic at the top. So let's switch these on underneath. Okay, so we got the nice little wireless go. So it's picking up my sound from me speaking right now. So that's okay. And again, this is like the Saramonic. You can clip this to your shirt or your clothing or whatever. This can clip on to the hot shoe on your camera, which is a nice feature, I have to say. What else is in the box? We get a little bag and we also get two clip-on dead cats, even though they probably are dead mouse, the size of them. Okay, so there is an issue with clipping this on, which is not a feature I would like. There we go. Oh, there we go. Okay, now there we go. So yeah, you just need to push in properly and clip it right in. Okay, so let's see how we're sounding. We're sounding pretty good, it sounds like. So it's topping out a little bit. Okay, so yeah. So very compact, very small, easy fit in your pocket. Bring anywhere. It's not going to take up that much room in anyone's bag, camera bag or whatever. Easy to set up. One in the box as opposed to the two with the Saramonic. So I guess it's down to how they sound like. So let's run that test. So the first test I'm going to do is as a clip-on my shirt to see how they sound, or hear how they sound even. Then we will use a lavalier mic with both these mics to see how the sound, or again, hear how the sound is on the mics or with the mics on your video. So this is with the Rode to begin with. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. Peter Piper packed a pack of pickled peppers. I'm not a pheasant plucker, I'm a pheasant plucker's son. I'm only plucking pheasant till the pleasant comes. I knew I wouldn't get it. I'm not a pheasant plucker, I'm a pheasant plucker's son. I'm only plucking pheasants till the pheasant plucker comes. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. Peter Piper packed a pack of pickled peppers. I'm not a pheasant plucker, I'm a pheasant plucker's son. I'm only plucking pheasants till the pheasant plucker comes. I can get it easy now. This is the Rode with the Saramonic lavalier mic connected to it, just to make sure that we have the same lav on both. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. Peter Piper packed a pack of pickled peppers. I'm not a pheasant plucker, I'm a pheasant plucker's son. I'm only plucking pheasants till the pheasant plucker comes. So this is the Saramonic with the included a lavalier mic connected to it, and we're going to test that. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. Peter Piper packed a pack of pickled peppers. I'm not a pheasant plucker, I'm a pheasant plucker's son. I'm only plucking pheasants till the pheasant plucker comes. So now I'm going to test them with my mobile phone. This is an iPhone XS. So I'm going to use the same TRRS connector on both, since the Rode doesn't come with one. And I'm going to use the same iPhone Lightning connector as well. So I'm going to plug this into my phone and see how the audio works with this. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. Peter Piper packed a pack of pickled peppers. I'm not a pheasant plucker, I'm a pheasant plucker's son. I'm only plucking pheasants till the pheasant plucker comes. And this test is with the Rode. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. Peter Piper packed a pack of pickled peppers. I'm not a pheasant plucker, I'm a pheasant plucker's son. I'm only plucking pheasants till the pheasant plucker comes. So there you can hear that the Saramonic is peaking out for sure when I record on audio. It is a little bit louder on the video version as well, especially when you use the Lavalier mic. It's a little bit better when you don't use the lav mic, but I would never wear this on my clothing or anything like that, especially with a light like that showing on it. That would just be too distracting, and if you're doing videos and you've got this thing going on, especially if you're wearing black, then it's just going to be a bit too distracting for me anyway. I don't think it's professional enough, and that's why I would wear a lavalier mic. Now we can look at turning down the volume for sure, but out of the box the Rode works straight away, especially if I'm using my mobile phone, if I want to use my phone for recording video or just audio. The downside of the Rode is that it doesn't come with a lavalier mic. It doesn't come with the TRRS cable that you plug into your mobile phone. It just comes with the TRS cable that plugs into your camera. If you are doing interviews, then the Saramonic for sure is definitely the way to go for the price. Getting 2 Saramonics in the box compared to just one Rode for a little bit extra is a much greater deal. So if you are recording video interviews and stuff like that, then definitely the Saramonic is the way to go. You'll need to adjust the volume a little bit, but it's well worth it. For me, out of the box, I would have to say that the Rode is a better option. I was hoping for the Saramonic to win, but the Rode does beat it when you just take it out of the box, plug it in, and are looking to go straight away. Another feature that I do like on the Rode is the meter on here, so you can see that you're transmitting correctly to the receiver, that it's being picked up from your transmitter no matter how far away you are, so you know that your microphone is working. Now, if the Saramonic had that, I would definitely recommend it. The other thing that I dislike about the Saramonic is the connector for your lavalier mic. It goes in the side. Now, if you're putting your transmitter in your pocket, then this sticking out could get bent, could get damaged. If you're clipping it on your pocket, that's fine, it'll stick out. But again, it does stick out, which I find a bit of an issue. The Rode does have it plugged in the top, which is much nicer. It fits in your pocket, you can clip it on your pocket, it goes straight up, there is no issue. But having it on the side isn't the best place for me. Again, I would like it on the top. Which one of these would you go for? Would you go for the Saramonic, that is the best value for the price, or would you go the best mic out of the box with the Rode? Let me know in the comments area below. If you have either of these, how is it going for you? If you've got the Saramonic, what's that like? If you've got the Rode, how are you getting on? Again, let me know in the comments area below. There may be something that I forgot to mention here that you want to include. Now, if you are a business and you want to take your video to the next level and you want to get more leads, more sales conversations into your business, then click the link in the description below and set up a free call with me. I'm offering a free 45-minute strategy session where we will hop on a call, go through your business and see what can be done to help you get more leads and more sales conversations with video. That link is in the description below. And if you are new to this channel and you want to grow your channel, especially for your business, then hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell. We upload videos Tuesdays and Thursdays to help you grow your channel. And if you want to get the best audio for your videos, make sure to click that link right there.